Everyone, so we are back on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. So today's topic is encoder. Basically, we are continuing our digital electronics series. In that, we are focusing on today's topic, that is encoder. Okay. Now in encoder, for this is also a combinational circuit. We are dealing with the combinational circuit. So basically, in encoder, what happen exactly? Let's listen. We always go with in the combinational circuit. We have to find the number of inputs. So in encoder, basically 2 raised to n inputs are there and n outputs are there. This is your encoder. Understood? Means basically you will have 2 raised to n is to n. This is the format of writing the encoder. Okay. Suppose n will be, n is number of bit. Bits. Suppose n equal to 2, then x, n equal to, then basically 2 raised to 2, that is equals to 4 is to 2. So means we have a 4 input and 2 will be the output. Okay. Suppose we'll take I0, I1, I2, I3 and output is basically y0, y1. This is your encoder, which is of 4 is to 2. Okay. Now suppose we need to draw a truth table for this, basically for this diagram. In this truth table we have to write, this is our input, so all will depend on this only, and this is your output. Okay. Now whenever I0 will be selected, rest all will be 0. Suppose this is selected, then this will be 0. This will be selected, then this will be 0. Okay. And then here output possibility is what? 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Understood? Okay. In that in this basically we have to select. See, there are 4 inputs and you will get 2 outputs. But how y0 will be linked with the input, this I1, I2, I3, how y1 is related with this, okay, with this input. So for that basically we have to write the expression, okay, how this is related. So y0 will be what? Wherever you get the minterms, this is your minterms, wherever the maximum value you will get, then that you have to write. Means basically I2 plus I3. From where? This is the column of I2 and this is of I3. Okay. And y1 is basically, this is for second is for I1 and this is, understood? So this is your first case, this is second case, third case and fourth case. This is how the input will be selected, given to the encoder, and this will be the output. Understood? So this is we all done with this diagram, truth table and the equation also. We can draw the circuit diagram also. Circuit diagram we can also draw. We can draw the circuit diagram of this. So here we require, suppose this is I2, this is I3 and this is your I1. So I2 plus OR gate is required. I2 plus I3. And this is your y1. So which gate? y1 is I1 plus I3. This is the way you can. So basically simple is there, nothing difficult is there. Okay. So this is the input which required to the OR gates, and this is the equation. This is the equation we, okay, and according to this is that. Okay, so nothing difficult part. Encoder is little bit simple only, not tough. Okay, so simple is there. We understood what are the inputs provide to this, that is the important. Okay, whatever the output you will get, that is the important. So this is the output part and this is the input part. Sometimes they also provide the clear part. Okay, bubble enable part is there. I will introduce this part in the decoder part. Okay. something is there that is related to the enabled. Okay, I will tell this in encode decoder part. Okay, we'll complete this video in short only. Okay, so these are the inputs, these are the output. Okay, so I have took the example n is equals to 2 number of bits. Okay, number of bits, so I have took the example, and accordingly this 4 will be the input, 2 will be the output, and you will have to draw this diagram. Okay, and you have to draw the, you can draw the k-map also. Okay, or directly you can write this equation. Okay, no need to just see the number of ones, this is called as a high, or you can say minterms, and then directly you can write it. Okay, and then basically you have to draw the circuit, a simple circuit diagram. This is the basic thing that you need to remember for the encoder. Rest we'll see in the question, or whenever we do sometime we do questions based on it, then we can proceed with this. Okay, so basic requirement is of the encoder that I completed. Okay, furthermore if you require, then just let me know about this. Till then, thank you so much.